Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're talking about the best filter oil pot you can find, the Tcvnmr 304 stainless steel oil filter pot. If you've been on the lookout for an oil filter container that combines versatility, durability, and convenience, then this is the product you need. Whether you're frying up crispy chicken wings, making French fries, or just storing your used cooking oil, this pot is designed to handle it all with ease. Made from 304 stainless steel, this oil filter pot is not only strong but also heat-resistant, ensuring it can stand up to high temperatures without warping or losing its integrity. The pot has a capacity of 2 liters, or 68 ounces, making it ideal for storing oil or using it directly for cooking. It's a perfect addition to any kitchen or even for outdoor cooking during camping trips. This pot is designed for more than just filtering oil. You can also use it for heating milk, coffee, making pasta, or even cooking soups and vegetables. It's your all-in-one solution for easy meal prep and cleanup. One of the standout features is the built-in fine mesh filter. This filter helps to remove any food particles or impurities from the oil, ensuring it stays clean for reuse. The pot also comes with a handy frying basket, so you can easily strain out the excess oil after cooking. The design is user-friendly with an eagle nozzle that allows for smooth oil pouring without any mess, and it even comes with a lid to keep out dust and odors. The handle makes lifting and straining easy, making this pot an essential tool for anyone who loves to cook. When it comes to cleaning, this oil filter pot is incredibly easy to maintain. You can simply wash it by hand or toss it in the dishwasher for a quick clean. No fuss, no hassle. Just a clean, ready-to-use pot every time. Now, let's talk about the convenience factor. Whether you're at home or camping outdoors, this filter oil pot can be used on all types of stoves, including electric and campfire stoves. Imagine cooking up your favorite dishes in the middle of nature, without compromising on quality. The Tcvnmr oil filter pot brings the comfort of home cooking wherever you are. If you're someone who enjoys both practicality and style in your kitchen tools, this oil filter pot is a great option. Its modern, simple design fits in seamlessly with any kitchen decor. Plus, the stainless steel finish ensures that it remains rust-free and retains its shine, even after repeated use. So if you're looking for the best oil filter pot that offers multi-functionality, durability, and ease of use, the Tcvnmr 304 stainless steel oil filter pot is the one to choose. It's perfect for those who enjoy a hassle-free cooking experience, whether at home or on a camping trip. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great product reviews. See you in the next video.